Alright, welcome to part 2 of the video where I jump right into the steps. So that was just an introduction. If you haven't watched part 1, go back and watch part 1 first. And so the very first step people would do is you solve the cross. Doesn't matter in any method, beginners, advanced, F2L, ZZ, or any method, you would solve the cross first. And it could be done on any side. Some people say it needs to be done on the white for sure. That's not a thing. Really, it's not. You could do it on any side. And before I start, keep in mind that let's use white face as a reference, as a front. White's in the front, and then so yellow will be in the back. And then we have red in the front. Opposite of that would be orange. And we have blue in the front. Opposite of that would be green. So just keep that in mind, so kind of know your color schemes. And then the centerpieces are the pieces that indicate the color of the face. And by that, what we want to do is solve the cross, and it would look something like this. Basically, what you want to do, general idea, is to solve the cross and orient them. And what I mean by that is, so white is in the front face, and you can see there's a cross here with the edge pieces. And for reference, this is the corner piece with 3 colors. What you want to do is solve the cross and orient them properly. And what I mean by orient is, if you look, this is the color, so this is white, and we see our white cross, and you see this is the red face, and you see the red and white piece is aligned, so that's called oriented properly. And then on the opposite side, I would have orange and white oriented properly, and on the left and right, I would have blue and green. And then blue would be here, so it'll be oriented properly, aligned, and then it'll just be aligned. And sometimes people ask, how do you orient pieces without knocking out other pieces? So basically what you do is, I'm going to use white face as a reference because many people start off with white face. Here's the blue. I could see the blue. This is the blue and white piece here, but it's not oriented properly. And this is the green side, so meaning I need to flip it so then blue and white is aligned. And we do it for the other 3 pieces. And we could see green and white is right here, so, and we know that blue is right here. So what we want to do is turn it so that when we bring white up, it'll be aligned with the blue, and it'll just create like a line in the middle with green to white to blue. And then now we just got to do a red and orange side. You just do the same thing, and then you orient it up, flip it, orient it up, and boom, you have your cross. And for the cross here, we could see that we're missing one side, and that'll be the white and orange side. And then white and orange piece happens to be right underneath here. So basically what it is on this side, by the side where you can't see, I'll hold the cube this way. So this is the orange and white piece right here. And what you want to do is orient orange. You could do this first, align it, and then flip it to the white side, and you have your cross solved.